Kerala, and I'm teaching for the last 15 years in the general studies and also in the optional subject of geography. The problem right now in civil service coaching is, to be very frank, it is faculty oriented or faculty centered coaching program. So those who can come to Delhi only can think of getting an expertise from people like me. So now with the kind of new technology which has come up, with the kind of expansion in these ideas, we are trying to reach out, the same faculties are trying to reach out to the people in remote locations using technology so that they can get the same feel of the same classroom coaching in Delhi at their respective hometowns, which will revolutionize the whole concept of civil service preparation. If you see the last 5 years of results, we are able to touch more than 20% of the final results. That means around 200 results ranks out of around 1000 final selection all India. 85% of the marks are coming from the written exam and only 15% of the marks are coming from the interview. So final result is based on the overall score. So it all depends upon what you have written in the main exam also. It's a combination of your ability to express by writing and a combination of your ability to say what you want to say in the nick of the time. It's a combination of both. If a candidate is thinking about preparing for civil service seriously, I believe a time frame of 2.5 years to be kept in mind, which is good enough, a good attempt and good enough to crack this exam. We in ALS, we don't believe in preparing for preliminary alone or main alone or interview alone. We believe in a holistic preparation so that ultimately we always want successful candidates to come out. We are right from the beginning in the mode of a holistic preparation whereby the final result is our aim. We have our expertise in teaching and we have a proven unblemished track record, and Eton has the technology to reach to the doorsteps of the people. This is a real deadly combination which I think it will work for all of us.